One of the first things patients find out about regenerative treatment is that insurance doesn't cover it. And for a lot of people, that triggers an immediate question. If it works, why isn't it covered? It's a reasonable thing to wonder. The answer reveals something important about how the system actually operates. Insurance coverage is not determined by whether a treatment works. It's determined by whether a treatment has completed a specific regulatory and administrative process, one that can take 10 to 20 years from the point research begins to the point a treatment becomes reimbursable. That process exists for good reasons. Rigorous evaluation protects patients, but it also means that treatments which are generating documented clinical experience, treatments being used by informed patients right now, can exist in a gap where the evidence is ahead of the paperwork. Regenerative medicine sits in that gap, not because clinical experience isn't being documented and studied. It is, but because the administrative machinery of insurance reimbursement moves on its own timeline, one that isn't designed around patient urgency. It's also worth understanding that insurance coverage shapes what gets recommended. Doctors working within insurance frameworks are incentivized, often structurally required, to recommend covered treatments first. The absence of a recommendation isn't always a clinical judgment. Sometimes it's an administrative one. The patients who are accessing regenerative treatment today are making an informed decision to move ahead of that system. Not recklessly, with clinical guidance, proper assessment, and a clear understanding of what they're choosing and why. Not being covered by insurance used to mean something wasn't established. The relationship between coverage and clinical development is more complicated than that. The question isn't whether the system is caught up. It's whether you're willing to make an informed decision without waiting for it to. The first step is finding out if you're a candidate.